Hey guys, it is me, Simone, and this video we're going to do a Destash video. I have about 4 lots I'm going to do. Here are the rules. These is a US only, PayPal friends and family only, first come first served. You have about 4 hours after I comment, or 4 to 8 hours I'll give you, after I comment my email address to you to send me the payment with your information, and then I will send everything to you. So what you need to do is just comment below which lot you want, and then I will comment my email address to you. You have 4 to 8 hours to reply. After that, I will move on to the next person in the area. So yes, I would love to send these overseas, but shipping and handling overseas is ridiculously overpriced, I think. And I don't think it would be worth it to anybody to even try to get these. So let's start off with the first one, which is dyes. This is a dye lot. This is D1, dye lot 1. Okay, this has a bunch of dyes. I'm not gonna go through it. It's kind of like almost like a blind bag. So I have a rosette dye. There's some, what's it called? What is it? It's not layering dye, but basic shape dyes. And it's a set. This is an 8-piece of diamonds. I have a flower scallop design here, which is like a, I think this is a 5 or 6 piece. There are some flower dyes in here, some heart rosettes in here. I have a little Santa Claus you can make, a reindeer, and a snowman. It's a small little die. So if you hear noise, it's my dogs in the background. I have some more tiny little doily dies, banners, emoji dies, the works, and there's more in there. There's a puzzle die here. I will go through this and put them in order with each other. Put them in small paper envelopes so they're all in together, not jumbled. I just kind of threw them in this bag to get rid of it. But this is D1. I'll get a marker or something so I remember which one this is. D1. Okay, and this is going to be $15 shipped. So $15 shipped, and you can get this one. So D1, dye 1, blind bag, $15 shipped, US only. Okay, moving on to the next one we have here. This is a combination of washi tape. It's a couple rolls, maybe like 7 rolls of washi tape. There are a couple stickers in here. Some of these are planner stickers here. That I didn't use. Some cute little stickers and washi tape stickers. And then there are some stamps in here. There are some planner stamps in here. You can see that one. Some of them are lightly used. And then there's some stickers in here too. I can't get those out. My stickers, these are die cuts. Let's say thankful and photos and all that. Those are in there. And then I have some more stickers, some more stamps could be used. These are from the greeting farm. This one's born again, and this is fantastic. And then I have this. This is a punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. I got this in a blind bag, but I already have one of these and I don't need two, so I'm gonna give this away. And then the rest of it here is just some washi tape and some twine and stuff. And this is going to be $15 shipped. Okay, moving on. And this one is going to be, we'll call it S1. S1, $15 shipped with the We Are Memory Keepers punch board, the planner stickers, and the planner stamps. It's S1, and it is going to be $15. Moving on, next one. Next one here is just washi tape. A bunch of washi tape. There's maybe like 20 rolls of washi tape in here. Different ones. Some of this is from like paper tape. Some of it's washi tape. Some rolls of, is that supposed to be in there? Ribbon? I don't know if that's supposed to be in there. And then I have an A sticker, glitter sticker that is in here. This is going to be S2. S2 is going to be $15 shipped. So about like over 20 rolls of washi tape, $15 shipped. This is to you guys. All right. Next one we have here is S3. S3 is going to be $15 shipped. This includes stickers. I got a bunch of stickers in here. And this is a planner sticker pack in here. Gold foil, really cute. Really cute ones. Oh gosh. Okay. And it has some more stickers in here. There's some cute stickers in here. Hold on. So I got some washi stickers here. Oop, dropping my stickers. Some more cute stickers and labels. And these are folded up. Little alpha sticker sheets, rub-ons, and some more washi tape stickers and stuff. Packs. Some have been lightly used, other ones haven't been used at all. When I say lightly used, there'll be like one sticker missing from the pack. So this one. Okay, it doesn't go there. That's why it wasn't fitting. I'm like, why is it not fitting? Because it don't go in there. I have these ink pads. I have them wrapped, so just in case they open, they won't ink. These are Avriel pigment inks, very juicy. Just haven't really been using them. And there's some washi tape at the bottom, maybe like 6 rolls, and then this one in here, and then there's a stencil. Stencil in here says, it's an apple, a bowl of cherries. I'm gonna say apple pie. I knew it was fruit, but something about cherries. Okay, and this is gonna be $15 shipped. That goes in here. Some more stickers. Okay. I might throw in some more stuff if I look around my room and see anything else I want to get rid of. So you might have some more surprises in your bag. And this one is S3. I said, so all of them are $15 shipped. Just kind of did one price point. But I did want to show you the majority of the content in each bag. So you get a good idea of what I am selling. So as I said before, this is US only. PayPal, friends and family only. You comment below which lot you want. You have D1 for the dies, which I said I will organize for you guys. You have D1 for the dies. You have S1 that had the We Are Memory Keepers paper punch in there, and the printer stamps. You had S2, which was just washi tape S3 that is a bunch of stickers and ink pads. And then I have one more here. Okay, this is gonna be S4. Sorry, S4. Why did I say 3? 4, S4, and I'm gonna organize this better. This is just stamps and dies. There's a few stamps and dies. This is going to be $10 shipped. It's not much in it. So I have some Christmas stamps in here, and then I have some dies in here. I have these Christmas stamps. I think this is, you can't see it. I have two of these I accidentally bought. Opening it up real quick for you guys. It's a castle. Can you see that? I have this little witch. I don't celebrate Halloween, so I got some of these as a gifts where I bought things off of AliExpress or in blind bags, and so I won't use them. So those are going to be, all those stamps and some of those dies are going to be $10 shipped, and that is S4, and it's $10. Okay, and that will also be in this envelope here. Yep, it will. Not sure. So just like round that baby up so it fits. And this is S4. Okay, so S4 $10. The rest of the lots are 15 shipped. All these are shipped. I said for US only, PayPal friends and family only. Comment below which lot you want, or if you want multiple lots, which one you want. SD1, S1, S2, S3, and S4. D1 to S3 are all 15 bucks. S4 is $10, and then I will comment below my email address for you to go on PayPal and send me the payment, and then I will, in your information, and then I will ship it out the following business day or weekday, depending what day it is that we message. Okay, because I'm recording this on Sunday, so the following day I should ship it out depending what day it is. Okay, much love guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Get crafty. Bye.